Hello, good afternoon. This is a speaking task for English 2. My presentation. Hello, I am William Edison Vanegas. I study electronic engineering. I have 38 years old. I live in Ibagué. I work electrical maintenance. Activities. In the morning, I have learning in the UNED platform. I'm enjoying play guitar. I have obtained a very good grades. I'm enjoying in Netflix platform. I have joining documentals, animals, naturalist. In the simulation software specialized, I have very good results. In the cook, I have enjoyed in my mother in the cook some recipes. With the family, I chat with Skype platform. I enjoy. I have joining in George with my sister, with my cousins. I see the news in the afternoon. I has watching news. Sorry. Depending on my ID card, I have Blue Ford. Okay, this is what I wanted to share with you. Thanks. Bye. See you later.